I'm Michael, and sometimes I bake cakes. I have solid plans to make something delicious. Peanut butter chocolate Revel bars. Ooh. So we'll see how they come out. So the recipe says to add 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. And it says to take that and to whip it up, and once it's whipped up, add 1.5 cups of firmly packed brown sugar into the mixture, and then whip that up. Pretty nice and mixed and fluffy, so I'm going to add my brown sugar. Ta-da. There we go. Butter and my sugar are creamed together, I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's not in there, but I'm going to add it. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I already added the first one. Here's the second one. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs and 2 cups of peanut butter. So I've added my 2 eggs and my 2 cups of peanut butter, and now to that mixture I'm going to add 3 cups of flour. Add it all at once. I added half of it, and now I'm going to add the other half. Now we're going to talk about the filling. The filling is a can of equal brand milk, heated up, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of creamy Jif peanut butter, and 1 bag of 11.5 ounces of Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips. Oh yeah. So I have my 2 tablespoons of peanut butter added in here to the sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to add my chocolate chips and let it melt down into a delicious yummy filling for the peanut butter Revel bars. So this is my filling at a little fudgy consistency. The chocolate chips are melted in there. And I've taken a 9-inch pan and lined it with aluminum foil, and I'm going to add half of my peanut butter dough mixture to the bottom of that, and then add the filling, and then spoon the rest of the topping on top, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a bit. So here I have half of my peanut butter dough pressed down into the pan. It's my peanut butter dough. I pressed it down into the pan. And then I'm going to add on top of that the yummy chocolate fudge filling. So now I have my chocolate in there, and I'm going to sprinkle the remainder of my dough on top, and then show you one final clip, and then into the oven it goes. So I crumble the remainder of the peanut butter dough mixture over the chocolate mix, and then I'm just going to kind of press it down with clean hands and put it into the oven. And now it's going to go into a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. So here it is, out of the oven after 30 minutes. with some chocolate chips placed on top. And you can see the yummy filling in there. And hopefully it's the most delicious peanut butter chocolate cookie bar ever. We'll find out in about 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Chocolate peanut butter goodness. Mmm.